this polyurethane top coat, and babe says it looked good. I, however, don't like it. So I'm probably gonna go get look guys, look. It's giving exactly what it needs to give. I thought these were going to be smaller. Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to get straight into it. It's time for these Christmas decorations to come down. I love my Christmas tree. It looks beautiful, but it gotta go. And as you guys can see, I'm taking down my ornaments from off the tree. Doing clusters this year made the cleanup process or the takedown process of the ornaments really easy because I had clusters of 5 to 6 ornaments. So I just took them down and placed them in a clear bag. The clear bag that I placed them in is actually something that my comforter came in, but I just put my ornaments in it. I'm putting away all the stuff that I stick into my tree, my cherry blossoms and all of that in this shopping bag. And then I'm going to go in and just put all my ribbons and stuff in a regular plastic bag from Walmart. I find that when I organize stuff beforehand, before I put them into my storage container, it makes my life a whole lot easier when Christmas comes around or fall comes around and I have to go into that big container to find all my items, because the big container that I use to stuff or fill or store all my decorations, whether that be Halloween, fall, or Christmas, it has a lot of stuff in it. So I like to just organize them from now when I'm taking everything down, so it makes my life easier when I'm trying to redecorate again. So I normally just keep the box that my Christmas tree comes in and restore my Christmas tree. A lot of people like to use Christmas tree bags, but I keep the box. I find that it holds my Christmas tree, it holds all my green garlands also, and it also holds my tree skirt. So it makes my life a whole lot easier. And all I do is put my Christmas tree down, put it in the box, this a box. Put it in the box and retape it, and my Christmas tree is good and safe, and I can just stick it into our garage, which is what I normally do. So I wanted to show you guys our charging station. I got this charging station from Amazon. I'll link it below. I wanted some place where babe can put all his stuff, his batteries for his computers, his business phone, his regular phone, and a place where all the kids can have their tablet to charge. I was tired of seeing all the phones just being plugged up all over the house. So this is the designated charging station in the kitchen area, and as you can see, both kids' tablets are being charged right now, and everything is packed up here back. Babe said he wants another light up here, so I'm gonna get another light and put it there, but all the lights for underneath are also put back up. So yep, and then I think I'm gonna get a light for this one right here. So yeah, and that's how the kitchen looks. I had to go in and do some touch up right here because it wasn't dry and I accidentally closed it, so I went back in, did some touch up paint, but the kitchen looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna give you guys like far out shot. So this is how it looks completely done. It looks absolutely amazing. I have no qualms, no problem. Amazing. It is the best time I've ever spent doing anything in our house, and I will continue to do renovations and stuff this year because I want this house to be exactly like how I pictured it in my mind. And as you guys can see, I have that taped up because I need to do it. And I also fixed our LED lights. Next on the list is these lights. I'm going to switch out and put some smart lights up here that's dimmable and also that can change color. And I feel like that is going to bring the whole vibe together. I also went in and switched out the magnets. We had colorful magnets and I feel like it looked kind of tacky on the fridge, so I switched them out for some better super strong black magnets and that I got from Amazon, and I absolutely love them also. So I'm kind of hiding in the closet, but you guys saw me taking down the Christmas decoration, and I also organized two of the cupboards, our drunk drawer cupboards in our kitchen, and we also got a charging station. I've been wanting a charging station in this house forever. I'm so sick of, sorry babe, but not sorry, of babes charging his stuff all over the kitchen. So there's a designated charging station for everything in the house. Everything has a charger, everything has a slot, and I'm so happy with it, and I'm happy. I love the kitchen and how it looks. I also put back up the lights underneath the cabinet and it looks amazing. So that's what we're doing today, kind of cleaning up really. I'm washing and doing all that stuff because I start school in a few, and I also want to make sure I put out, well, record my content so when my classes start I'm not stressed out or overwhelmed. So hi everybody, I really haven't been doing anything. I've just been trying to get my house in order for the new year really, and help babe recuperate from his eye surgery. But I've organized this drawer right here. This was a drunk drawer and it only had like my mittens and stuff like this in here, and it needed to be organized. I know I'm messing it up, so that's what I did. I had some extra dividers and I also had some Gorilla Grip, so I just put that down and went to work on organizing this drawer right here. I actually need to switch out the, I don't know if you guys can see, this one for a nice black one because Christmas is over and done with, and this needs to go in the washer. So closing that one, and then I also organized this one. This was also another drunk drawer that we keep like batteries, we keep tape, we keep extra chargers, charging port, and like light bulbs and stuff, and extra like stuff like this. So I also put down some Gorilla Grip and organized this one, and yeah, to put this tablet on charger. I like to turn it off. She got some Bluetooth wireless headphones because she broke off the jack headphones that she had. And I also started to organize this one. This is just going to keep, like, we have extra COVID tests, extra masks, disposable and washable, and then markers, pencil and pen. And then these are the books that Milani and Kai writes in, draws in, and he also have his tracing book right there. But your girl got some hold on, your girl got some Amazon package that I need to open because I'm on to more home renovation stuff. I'm in love with doing them myself now, so you guys are gonna see a lot more of them. But let's get into the haulage. So I got some new, I don't know, I got some new gym gloves. Your girl's about to start getting back active in the gym. I think I missed like a month of the gym at this point. And I don't like when my fingers, especially if I do my nails, are covered. So I got this. I got it in a medium. Give you a lot of wrist support. Oh, I like. Have a nice cushion. My other gym thing that I have, I can't remember the thing now, what it's called. My other gym gloves, oh my god. The other gym gloves that I had, it's been a year and it's been worn out in the middle. There's a hole in between it. It's crazy. It's time for a new one, so I got me some new one. And I feel like this give me more wrist support. It's a giving what it needs to give, so I like that a lot. Let me sit down. I think Babe just texted me. He's at the store. Amazon order. I have another home renovation thing that I want to do. So I bought these sunnies. These are the Loewe dupe sunnies. I bought some before. I got it in red and white, but I wanted them in just the regular all black color. And I didn't get them because initially I wanted the red and the black initially, but they were sold out. The girl on TikTok did her thing. These are how it looks. Look amazing. I love me a good black sunny, and I love the fact that it comes with a bag. The other ones didn't come with a bag. They just came with I'm lying, I think they did come with a bag. Yeah, I'm lying, they definitely came with a bag. But I love when glasses come with bag, and these are actually super heavy. They give like high quality sunnies. So if you're good and you find some good sunnies on Amazon, I promise you they won't feel cheap. They won't feel like they're going to break on you. And our thing is going off. I have no idea why it's going off. I think because our internet accidentally went out this morning and they need to put in the password. I don't remember the password. The password. Oh, what is here? What the fuck? I thought these were going to be smaller. Anyways, weird. Let's see what in here. I got some stuff for the bathroom, so this is good. And I got this more gym stuff. So I got these. These are for barbells. This is supposed to be 2 inches. I got one before, but it was 1 inch and it was too small. So I just got some bigger ones. Let me put all this stuff in here. Let's see what this is. I have more stuff coming in the mail because really I want to put some vinyl plank flooring down in the girls' room, and I want to decorate the girls' room. So yeah. Oh, my bin thing. I didn't expect this to come today. And I'm trying to switch out all the bins in this house. I hate when these stickers don't come off clean. It really annoys me. And then I got this little thing for the bathtub, because when I'm in the bathtub I want to be able to put my head down and relax. So let's go see how this thing is going to work, or if I need to send them back, because I wasn't expecting these to be so big. So these are just where you put bags in. So you have sandwich, I don't know if you can see, sandwich, snacks, quart, and then you have some other ones. Let's go over here, because baby, I wasn't expecting them to be this big. Let me flip you guys up and turn the light on. Here's a bit. So this says 2 million others, and this is gallon. Baby, these are huge. They're deep too. I don't even know if they can fit in the damn drawers. Let's see. So, I'm gonna hide the lettering because those are not gallon bags, really. I have some more bags over here. Let's see. So too big. Perfect. Don't know where I'm gonna put these or what these are gonna hold, but oh, I know where I can put these. I can put one. these two drawers are as good as organized as it will get because, darling, I don't know what else to do with these drawers. It's not going to be organized to my liking because this is a drunk drawer where everyone just throw stuff into these drawers. But you guys get the point, you guys get the drift. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment because you guys get to see all the other drawers in the kitchen, super duper organized, looking super duper clean. So, yeah. So that's all for today. I organized the drawers a little bit more, and I found a place to put all those organizers, so that's great. With that being said, I'll see y'all either tomorrow or the next day, because that's when majority of the other stuff comes. So lose it our tub, baby. The way I've been working and trying to complete tasks and all that stuff, I need to relax. So when I go to relax, I want to be comfy. So I got one of these. I think this was $11. I'll link it for you guys. Let's see if it's gonna fit. Yeah. So this is how it's supposed to go. I'm gonna end up cutting this off because oh, it's given. Look guys, look. It's given exactly what it needs to give. I'm gonna cut this off. Oh, your girl also got herself. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh well, yeah, you can. So your girl got herself a tray. A nice tray. The only thing I will, let me lift you guys up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So that's how the tray looks. The only thing I will say, I absolutely hate how they have their royal craft wood thing all over this tray. So because your girl already have white spray paint, I'm just gonna white spray paint this off. I'm not advertising for anyone when I'm doing my routine and when I'm self-caring. And then that's how that looks. What is it giving? It's giving luxury. Yes, ma'am. I love it. I think I'm gonna spray paint this right now because I have the white spray paint. And then the next thing I bought is a trash can. That is our old trash can. When I'm doing my videos, let me put it over here because that's a no. So I bought a new trash can. Old trash can is right over there. Every time I'm doing my videos, I'm seeing the trash can. I absolutely don't like it, so I bought one with a lid. Also, another thing that I hate, that I truly dislike about our bathroom, is that our toilet isn't like enclosed away so people can't see it. But that's kind of like a me problem, really. I think I'm probably just gonna buy a divider, and when I'm doing videos I just pull it across so you guys can see the toilet, because I don't like it. So those are the things that I got from Amazon. You guys will see in next week's vlog video what else I'm up to, because I had some more stuff for another project that I have. But with that being said, you guys saw me take down my Christmas tree, you guys saw me organize the kitchen, and you guys saw me putting together this bathroom. These are just, the bathroom things are just a few things that I've had on my list for a while that I've wanted for a long time, and I finally got them. So yeah, but I feel like I've been ran over by a truck. I'm super tired, like, whew, Lordy Lord. But I just put the kids down. I haven't made any up-to-date content in so long. I didn't even get to put the clip in on my last video where I did the kitchen to tell you guys Happy New Year and all of that. Happy New Year. Hope you guys are working on your New Year's resolution. I don't really like to say New Year's resolution. I like to say like reset goals for my life, because I find that when a lot of people say they're making resolutions, a lot of times it don't work out. So your girl is trying to hurry up, put on a little bit of makeup. I don't even like putting on makeup like that. I don't know if it's ever anymore. I don't know if it's because I have kids now, or I don't want to be using up too much of my time doing makeup. But let me turn on this light. I'm into like quick makeup looks now, like super quick. So now all I did is mix my L'Oreal Pro Matte in 109 and my Fenty Skin Tint in 14. L'Oreal Pro Matte is like, I mix it with everything, because really anytime I use it, it has never failed me. I like a nice medium with foundation. I don't like my foundation too oily, too slick, but I love a good satin finish foundation. And because I'm gonna be under heavy lighting doing my videos, I like to make sure my face is a little bit matte, a little bit on the matte side. And then this is the Juvia's Place concealer. I'm trying to do my face in about 5 minutes. Cause I want to use all my time up to do my content before these kids wake up. And babe already cooked, so I don't really have to worry about that, and I'm glad. Well, not really cooked. He heat up my rice and peas. When we cook rice and peas, babe don't mind yamming it like 3 days in a row. So he heat up my rice and peas, and I made some fried chicken breasts with some pasta, and he kind of did over the chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast up in slices and made a nice little sauce to go with them. And I had that. I now done filming, so I went to Home Depot and they said bare polyurethane in semi-gloss is what I need to put on the cabinets to make sure they don't chip And this is a oil base. They said to make sure whatever I do not shake it up. You should only mix it around. She said a lot of people shake it up and then put it on, and then it starts cracking the paint on whatever you paint. So do not shake it, just mix it. And I got some new brushes because I have Neka's bed to do. I don't know what color she wants to paint that in, but yeah, and the arches. And I got these. Me never did know say I saw paintbrush there. I bought the basic economy paintbrush. Same thing we did have. Me dash for the other one them though, cause I wasn't gonna wash out that black bed paint out of them. That was a little bit too much. So if you're repainting your cabinets, be sure to put polyurethane on it so it don't chip. And the lady also said it's fast drying, so once you put one coat over it, it is stuck for life. Okay, and if you try to repaint over it, it's not going to work. You're probably going to have to sand first and then repaint. So there you go. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I actually put in the polyurethane on the cupboards. I went over it, took a 1 hour. I took 1 hour out of the day and I just did one coat all over the kitchen, so I don't have to worry about it stripping or it getting messed up or anything like that. So yeah, I will say the polyurethane, that is the top coat, it's oil based and it's going to make your house smell like acetone. But with that being said, I'm tired as hell. I am going to go take a shower. I'm still in my gym outfit. I'm going to go take a shower, wait on this stuff to dry, and I'll see y'all later. So your girl just got out of the bathroom. I applied the semi-gloss. I applied the semi-gloss polyurethane top coat, and babe says it looked good. I, however, don't like it. So I'm probably gonna go get a satin finish one. I just feel like it's too glossy along with the appliances. I'm not loving it, but so those ones are, no top coat is on, and this is the one with a top coat. I'm gonna put satin over it. Yeah, let's see how that works out.